Hi everyone, so Mr. Ahmed here, and for your history task, you need to create a timeline of South Africa. So if you click on the link that is on the slideshow, it will take you to this page titled Timeline and History of South Africa. Starts off with BCE, which means the same as BC, and that is 1,000 years before Christ, 500 years before Christ. Then you have CE, which means the same as AD, so after Christ. So this is 250 years after Christ, and all the way at the bottom we have 2013 years after Christ. Now make sure you read the whole history, but for your timeline you don't need to use the entire every single event. Um, for my timeline, I'm going to focus on from the years 1900 to 2020. So that covers 120 years of history. Now I want my timeline to climb up in increments of 10. So if I divide by 10, that gives me 12. So I know my timeline has to be either 12 centimeters long. That's a bit compact. I want a bit wider. So let's say we make it 24 centimeters long, and every 2 centimeter will equal 10 years. Okay, so let's get started. So start with your vertical line, or you can have a horizontal line if you prefer. And then make sure the spacing between them is 2 centimeters. And then you need 12 of them to cover 120 years. Start off with 1900, climb all the way up to 2020, and then go back to the website and let's pick an event. Let's do 1948, the government policy of apartheid. That's a key word, so make sure you spell it correctly. Of apartheid is adopted. So I will put that 40 is here, 45 would be the middle, 48 is just above the middle, so I would put it somewhere here. So apartheid is adopted. Make sure you have enough space for other bits of writing, so when they go on top, you don't want them all squashed up. It doesn't look very nice when it's too compact. Okay, so make sure once you've finished to send us your work, and we love to show it off to other kids, especially when we see brilliant presentation. So good luck everyone. Have fun. Now, how do I turn this off?